So in second quadrant, you can see that sin theta and cosec theta are positive except all are negative, such as sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos pi by 2 plus theta is negative sin theta. These signs not you see here, you can see that here sin, so this value is positive because second quadrant sin is positive, but here cos, and cos in second quadrant is negative, so the when the cos change into sine, the sign will be negative. Same tan pi by 2 plus theta minus cosec, because cosec is positive in second quadrant, so the value when change sec is also positive, and sec pi by 2 plus theta negative cosec, cot pi by 2 plus theta is minus tan theta. And you can see here is all the formulas. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta, cosec pi minus theta cos theta, tan pi minus theta minus tan theta, because here the angle is pi, so trigonometric ratio are constant. And same as third quadrant, you can see the sin pi plus theta is negative, cos negative, tan and cot are positive, and cosec and sec is also negative. Same is here, the sin, cos, cosec and sec are negative, but tan and cot are positive. Now comes on fourth quadrant. Same here, in fourth quadrant sec and cos are positive and all the values are negative. So here you can see sin negative, change in negative, cos in positive, tan in negative, cot in negative, cosec in negative, but sec in positive, and these are the formulas we use when the value change in the quadrant. Now we comes the rest formulas, that are AB formulas and addition and subtraction. So come and discuss. Now these are addition and subtraction formulas in this chapter. That's sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B cot A cot B minus 1 cot B plus cot A. Cot A minus B cot A cot B plus 1 cot B minus cot A. And sin 2 theta is 2 sin cos theta sin theta. Sin 2 theta have another formula when change into tan, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Same as cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and cos 2 theta is also change in 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now and another formula is cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, and cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta about 1 plus tan square theta. Here cos 2 theta having separate formulas which we use in separate questions with our requirement. So now tan 2 theta is 2 tan upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And tan 3 theta means 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now comes on AB formulas. There are 2 cos A cos B change into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and minus 2 sin A sin B change in cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B, the same formula, but here is minus sign, and second one having no minus sign. So cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and you can see that when negative sign is starting, so the value is cos A plus B in forward and cos A minus B in backward. But when the sign from this to this side, then cos A minus B in forward and minus cos A plus B in backward. Now 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and 2 cos A sin B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. And now we come to our last formula that we called C and D formulas. So these are our C and D formulas. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d, that 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d, that 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d, and cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, and when this minus sign goes to this side, the value will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin d minus c. So you can here see that when sin c plus d and sin c minus d, you can see that when sin c plus d, then the value is sin cos, and when plus change into negative, the value will be reversed and we got cos sin, and cos c plus d we having only cos cos, and cos c minus d we having only sin and sin. So I hope student you all like the video, and the formulas will help in doing the chapter. So I hope it help you. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and now I will send you the exercise value with each question and each explanation. So practice कीजिए, घर पे रहिए. All the best. Thank you.